We have Oliver sitting on the counter watching Maddie, who's working with his Mars Mud molding clay. While I try
and covering my Westwood action figure with it, and covering all of goo with my Mars Mud.
Okay, and the house is rather messy because I'm trying to clean up, and in the process of cleaning up, this is what happens. The puppy gets an entire box of drinks. Hello, Piper. Piper, Mommy needs that. Piper, that's a little too big for you to carry, isn't it? What are you going to do? Piper, Mommy's coming to get you. What are you doing with that, Piper? Piper. Piper, what have you got? Piper, what have you got, Piper? Piper, oh no, you got a drink. Piper, come back with the drink. Piper, where are you going? Piper, I keep seeing just your tail. Hello, Oliver. Piper, what are you doing? You got to give that to Mommy. Why are you running away from Mommy? Why are you running away from Mommy? Maddie's going to get you. He's going to get that drink back. He's going to get that drink back. Be gentle. Oh, did she give it up? You a silly thing. Give her a loving up. Give her a loving up. There we go. Good pup.